Free throw. Playing a very deep open defense. 3-3 now, Brazil. Sandel finds a way through to the top of the net. Back-to-back goals. And now it's a one-goal lead only. Swing on a run and a much-needed timeout called by Marcos Oliveira for Brazil. Off the back of this goal by Sandel. His third in the game and his second back-to-back. Carbon copy of the last one across the face. Uses a line player as a screen, and the fans can celebrate.
Corre para jogar aqui e esse ataque aqui. Agora, para você jogar lá nas costas do central defensivo. Ok? Vai vir, você vai jogar com esse cara aqui, mas vai pra cá para jogar aqui. O passe tem que ser rápido para jogar 2 contra 2.
Well, it's often said that your most important player is your goalkeeper. Well, what about Tulin coming in the second half? He has lifted their spirits. 3 saves, a 50% save rate, and some unmissables. And a penalty to boot. Brilliant. What a difference that makes. Play resumes after Brazil have taken their second team timeout. The only question might be why it took them so long to take it. They've conceded 5 without replies. We hit the midway point in the second half. Langaro looks to the line. Stolen, but the referee said there was some holding on Langaro. And the Norwegian fans will breathe a collective sigh of relief. The only thing is, though, in their plan, they still need a few other results to go their way. They need Portugal to win tomorrow against Spain as well. Or in 2 days, I should say. And more to the point, Norway have to beat Sweden. Passive play call now against Brazil. 4 passes needed. Defending inside, is it? No. Referee says only a free throw. Langaro says they were both inside, but he's waved away by the referee. And the passive play continues. The pass counter at the bottom, bear in mind, is just a rough guy. Rodriguez! Well, Gottfriedson went up to defend. You've got to latch on if you're going to go. He's too deep in, he's got to pull back. And so the change happens. Bolshev Seppert, the defender, goes off. Nielsen, the line player, comes in. Well, it's Sandel's day. 3 back-to-back goals now for the Veszprem right back. Quick throw off by Brazil, and the goal is cancelled out almost immediately by Dupuy. Oh, saved this time, that was up, and recovered by Hackman. That was up. He's in the zone. Team saved that was with a 50% save rate. Some going. And Brazil, though, still leading. Oh, looking for the pass straight back again. Too many steps. Careless turnover. Gottfriedson down the middle. Borges in front of him. And at least Brazil have been quick to fall back. Recover the situation when they've lost the ball. Sweden, who would normally love their fast breaks, have only scored 2 of them in this match, missed 3. Pass Borgo again, he seems to have lost his nerve and hesitates. He could have gone deeper than that. Deep defence is troubling the Swedes at the moment. Carvalho at the front, or Barros rather at the front. Good fixer, breaks through, back to a 1-goal game. 5 goals for Jim Gottfriedson. Hung in the air, threw himself at the gap, just launched the ball before he landed. Great reaction. Races off, not been used in defence, Nielsen either. They brought on Erik Johansson. Let's see if that's just a defensive cover. Sidesteps. Well, that wasn't great defensive cover then. And Barros gets his third 2-goal lead. And the ball is lost. Fumble by Sandan. Almost recovers it. Wry smile from Darosa, the goalkeeper. Brazil, if they win here today, are through to the quarter-final. The group is sealed. Shut down, locked up. It's all over for the rest. It'll be Portugal and Brazil if they do it. Here first for them. What an amazing championship. Goes for the breakthrough. Free throw only. Theatrical though the fall was. That's Philo who's come on. First appearance for him. Relative newcomer to the team. Passive play call. Philo puts that one away. He's off the mark. Plays for Al Ali in the United Arab Emirates. And a 3-goal lead is back, and Sweden have got it all to do again. Gets his arm over the top of Sandow. We're coming up to 10 minutes remaining. Back comes Lagergren. 3-1 to Brazil. In the last 3 minutes and 50 seconds. Carl Borgård. Very quick to offload. Gottfriedsen nearly through. Trying to release Lagergren, but gets a free throw instead. Gottfriedsen, who plays in Germany for Flensburg. Gottfriedsen again. Carl Borgård through. Only a free throw. And line play, Oliveira managed to just keep his heels out of the line as he put the block on Carl Borgård, who hesitated. He's not looking confident at the moment. Passive play call against him. He doesn't want to take a shot either. He'll have a go. Still in play. It's over the back line. It's a goalkeeper ball. Barbosa celebrates. Playing in his third World Championship, the Brazilian goalkeeper. Brazil who finished 17th 2 years ago, 18th 2 years before that. Indeed, their best finish at the World Championship was 9th in 2019. Muller can barely look up in the stands, the red-carded player. If they win here today, whatever happens afterwards will be their best finish in a World Championship. Philo, Langaro, deflection. Forcell's effort, just send it back the other way. They go for the quick throw off with the pass to Pelas over his shoulder. And Brazil have worked their way back to a 4-goal lead. Courtesy of this wonderful effort by Langaro. Beats Palika, who's returned in goal. Great start by Tulin at the beginning of the second half in goal. But now it's 3 saves from 10. They'll hope that Palika, as he sometimes does, can just find his form after a bit of a rest. Philo, Rodriguez. Sweden, who twice got back to within 1, are falling back again. It's an untidy performance by them. Amazingly, you won't need a speed gun as Johansson gets his first goal. Bit of a lucky one, and Darosa completely wrong-footed. Takes off, and Darosa completely read it the other way. 7.5 minutes for Brazil to make history. They lead by 4. Sweden defending deep at the moment while the line is away. Borges drops in. They come back to cover him. He waits on the right. Spins off the defender. Saved by Palika. And referees having a quick discussion. experienced partnership from Bosnia-Herzegovina, the brothers, Amar and Dino Konjičani. 2-minute suspension.